Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the battery in your Huawei GT2 smartwatch. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. It's also advisable to have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging any components. Begin by removing the back cover of the smartwatch. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 4 screws located around the back. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery and other internal components. Before proceeding, it's essential to ensure that the device is powered off. If you're unsure how to do this, simply hold down the side button until the watch turns off. Next, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is a delicate process, so use the tweezers to grip the connector and pull it straight out. Avoid pulling on the wires, as this could cause damage. Now it's time to remove the old battery. Gently lift it out of its compartment. If it's stuck, you can use the spudger to carefully pry it out. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. Once the old battery is removed, it's important to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection for the new battery. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling the watch, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Power on the device by pressing the side button. If the watch turns on and functions correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back cover. Align the back cover with the casing and press it down gently. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can decide what's best for your device. Once the back cover is securely in place, give your smartwatch a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Your Huawei GT2 is now ready to use with its new battery. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With our no calls, no travel service, you can have your smartwatch repaired without any hassle. Thank you for following this tutorial. Enjoy your revitalized Huawei GT2 smartwatch. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.